What's up guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add featured video content on your YouTube channel. So the first thing you need to do, first make sure that you are logged in your channel. You can see your logo right here. Okay, then open the drop down menu next to YouTube and go to my channel. Next, so you have two sections for featured videos. You have for returning subscribers, okay, for the people who already subscribed to your channel, okay, what featured video they can see right here. And the other section, the other tab, is for new visitors. So you can make a channel trailer and upload it right here by clicking on channel trailer and upload a video welcoming new visitors which are unsubscribed to your channel. Okay, so basically if you want to add for returning subscribers a featured video, okay, you don't want this, I don't want this one for example, so I click on the pencil edit button right here and I click on featured content, and here I can choose any video from my videos on my channel, or I can go to playlists and I can choose a playlist to be featured, to be displayed as a featured content. Okay, so let's choose this playlist, how to YouTube, and click on save. And you can add a heading for this content, and this is optional. Alright, so I just want to click on save, and here it is. So all my subscribed users will see this playlist as a featured content on my YouTube channel. I haven't made a channel trailer for new visitors. I will make one soon, but I have showed you for returning subscribers how to do it, and for new visitors you can add a channel trailer by clicking the channel trailer right here. Okay, so that's it guys. If you've enjoyed this video, if you found this video helpful, please like it and please subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments down below what would you like me to show you in my next upcoming how-to videos. Thanks for watching guys, and take care.